Hello guys and welcome to today's video. So on today's video guys, I have decided to show you guys this particular website where I make some few dollars every single day. It's very easy. So instead of making a video about Airdrop, which will end up not really paying us at the end of the day, so I decided to actually expose this particular website to you guys so that if you're interested, you can check out the website and of course complete some few tasks right there. Very easy, simple tasks right there, and get your money in USDT straight into your wallet. So on this video guys, I'm going to be showing you around on this website. I'm going to be basically explaining to you guys how you can be able to make your money, and I'm going to be trying out some of the features, like trying to claim my token, seeing if it will arrive in my wallet. It is very simple. And before I start the video, I want to make it very clear to you that this video is not a financial advice and it shouldn't be consumed as a financial advice, because I'm not even a financial advisor. I'm only sharing with you guys the strategies that I use to make money online. This is my personal opinion. Before you do anything, do your own personal research. But this particular website, I've been talking about it a lot of time. This is probably the fourth or the fifth video that I'm actually making concerning this particular platform. So everything is working. I've verified it myself. I'm only going to be just making this video for those of you who probably haven't heard about it, or for those of you who have heard about it but stopped after some time. So right now guys, what this website basically do is they pay you immediately for completing simple tasks. All right, so right now guys, like I said, stick with me to the end of the video. And also I have decided to actually share 5 USDT to my viewers today. So if you're watching this video, you actually stand a chance of earning USDT. What you need to do is very simple. Make sure that you have subscribed, like this video, make sure you share this video, very important. And finally, drop your opinion on the comment section, and I'll be selecting 5 people. If you participated on the last video that I made, that I promised to share you guys 10 USDT, you can check out that video because I've actually selected the winner. So check out the video. If you're among the winner, you will see what you need to do from there, and you do it and your reward is going to be landing to you. So without talking much guys, I'm sorry for talking too much, let's now get started with this video. Let me show you guys around on this particular platform. So like I said, you can see it is called Beeezo. You can find it at beeezo.com. I have an affiliate link down there on the video description box. You can decide to use it. It helps me and helps you as well. So right now guys, looking over here, this is the dashboard right here. You can see there are certain things which you need to take note of right here. For example, I'm currently on level 3, and now for you who is going to be starting right now, you need to first of all create your account and verify your account. Very important. Affiliate link on the video description box. So I'm currently on level 3, and of course right here, looking over here, you can see this is my progress on level 3 so far. And of course, looking over here, this is my available balance to claim. You can see it is very little. You can actually claim this and use it to settle your gas fee on Polygon network. So over here, I've got about 585 RC, which is equivalent to 0.585 USDC. So basically what you need to do right here is simply you learn about some stuff about this website, about USDC, and of course you complete some tasks. So looking over here, down here, I've completed about 15 tasks right here, and of course a total of I've earned a total of 2,440 RC, though I've withdrawn some in a couple of days ago. And looking over here, this is a new quest which I need to complete. So looking over here right now, let me show you real quick. So when I click over here guys, it will show you the quest which you need to complete. Looking over here on available quest, you can see I've actually clicked on most of them, but coming over here to quest line, you can see this is not up yet, it's currently empty. Coming over here to in progress, these are the quests that I am yet to complete. You can see it. And over here on pending review, these are the quests that I've completed, but they are currently reviewing it to see how I was able to complete it, if I qualify to be rewarded or not. So coming over here to completed, you can see these are the tasks that I've completed so far. All right, so these are the tasks I've completed so far. Right now, let me show you some things you need to take note of. So looking over here right now, you can see this one says 0 spots. Now what does this mean? This simply means that you can no longer complete this time, meaning that the spots left for it has actually been exhausted, meaning that if you complete this task right now, nothing will left for you. But when you look over, you can see we have about 231 spots left, meaning that after 231 persons complete this task, then it is going to be 0, and anybody that completes the task won't be getting it. It will be locked. You can see some of them right here are locked. That is because I've completed them long time ago. So but if you come over here as a new beginner, if you come over here to available, you are going to see a lot of tasks that you need to complete. Now without wasting time guys, you simply need to complete the task. And for example, let me show you something real quick. Let me come over here to in progress. Assuming that I want to complete this particular task right here, I will simply click on it like this. So when I click on it, they will give me the details of what I need to do. read this side, they are going to be telling you all you need to do to be able to complete the task, because after completing the task, they are going to be giving you a space where you need to put maybe a screenshot of the proof that you completed the task, and of course maybe your profile address. They need to verify it. Okay, so scrolling up right now, when I click on start completing right now, they will tell me what I need to do, blah blah blah. For example, they will tell me to connect my wallet, but I have connected my wallet already. So what I need to do right now is that I'm going to be claiming my tokens right here. So over here, first of all, I need to claim my token, then I will swap that token to USDC, which I will then claim to my wallet. So over here right now, let me put the amount I want to claim. I have 585, right? So I will click over here, let me leave a little, I'll put 0. Okay, I will click on continue. So when I click on continue right now, you can see amount to claim is 580 RC and estimated gas fee is 8 RC, right? So I'm going to be receiving 572 RC, and right now I will click on continue. Okay, so right now once I click on continue, you can see I've just claimed my reward right now. So what do I need to do next is swapping. So over here right now, when I click on swap right now, let me show you the details. You can see this is my available balance to swap right here. Now let me swap it from RC. The platform gives you RC. Now it is left for you to actually claim that RC to USDC and then withdraw it to your wallet. Now over here right now, when I click on amount I want to swap, 574, right? 574. What I need to do from here is to simply go ahead and click on continue. Let me open up my wallet to check if I have some gas fee right there. Okay, I have some gas fee right here. I have gas fee, so I will click on continue right now. So once I click on continue like this, you can see I will confirm this swap. I'm now swapping the reward that I got from the platform to USDC, and I'm going to receive it on my wallet. I will click on confirm swap. Once I click on confirm swap, this is going to be popping up my wallet, and over here you can see they are going to be needing a little gas fee. So I will go ahead right now. I'll click on continue. Let's see what we're going to have right here. So you can see it's loading up transaction submitted. Let's see, you can see swap successful, and right now you can see my balance change in real time, meaning that I've just withdrawn what I got from the platform to my wallet. So right now guys, you can see it's not reflecting, but I will click on low value tokens. Okay, you can see it right here, though the value is quite very low, and that is just what I got from the platform. So instead of spending months, weeks, days on Airdrop that will probably not pay you at the end of the day, why not try out this particular platform to make very good use of your time? Now right now, like I say, it is very easy. Now coming over here, I want to show you something real quick. You can see Beeezo Academy right here. When I click on Beeezo Academy, you can see there are a lot of academy right here which you need to learn, and they are basically teaching you and you are learning. So coming over here to in progress, you can see none of them in progress, pending review, none is in review. But coming over here to completed, you can see tons of academy that I've received. You can see it right here. It's not easy, but I've completed all this academy right here. So coming over here to learn and earn, there is actually a kind of a way you can make it very easy. For example, when you click on this one and tend to complete it, they are going to be asking you questions at the end of the day. Even if you don't want to be watching the video that they're going to give you to watch while completing this task, you can just maybe skip the video, and probably when it's time to answer the question, you can make use of your ChatGPT. That's basically what I use. I don't have time to be watching all those videos. I made use of my ChatGPT and I got through all of them and I got rewarded simply. Basically, this is all you literally need to know about this particular platform. Like I said earlier, do your own research. The affiliate link is going to be on the video description box. Also, we have a Telegram community where we share updates back to back every single day. So you can join the Telegram community, link in the video description as well. So if you find the video interesting, please do well to like this video and subscribe, share it, and stand a chance of getting selected to win reward. All right, so thanks so much for watching the video guys, and I'll be speaking to you guys on the next video that I'm going to be posting very soon.